Good afternoon, everybody. Man Steve here once again. It is Sunday, February the 19th, and this is my 1995 to 1996 Lasko 3733 box fan. I may have made a video or two of this once or twice before, but I figured that I'd just do another one for the heck of it. See how it would turn out with my new phone. Uh, this is also something that I Frankensteined about a year or two ago, and as you can see, it has a modern 37.3 blade as well as the motor in it that I put in it. Unfortunately, the original blade and the motor to it is long gone. Looking back now, I probably should have kept it because maybe I could have found a place to have had it rewounded, or maybe even using it of testing abilities of wiring it myself. But who knows what the future may hold. But anyway, uh, the fan the fan still works really well. You have to give these things credit for one thing. And I bought the original fan to this about 6 years ago, and it's still going. So you've got to give them credit for that. Um, the handle, as well as the knob and the switch, and of course the anything on the inside, is what I salvaged off of the modern 3733. Pretty much everything else to it is original except for the patina. It still retains the same paint that I gave it a couple of years ago. Doesn't seem to have any scuffs or even chippings or anything like that, much to my surprise. Here's the back of the fan. It's kind of hard to see, but I'll turn the flashlight on. There's the little tuna cam-like motor in there. It is kind of dirty. I need to get around to cleaning it as soon as possible. Actually, I might do that here in a day or two. And I painted it a metallic blue. I think it looks pretty cool. A little dirty there on the inside. This fan doesn't just sit around. This is our nighttime sleeping fan here. So yeah, it does show typical signs of use on it. Nothing special about the performance on it. Not the best of airflow, not the best of quality, but just it does have a good performance to a certain degree. But definitely, if these fans had the original cabinets to like this again, and as well as the guards, where there's not so many slats in them, I think these fans would be more value in my opinion. But I was gonna sell this one time. Actually, I think that I was about to sell it right when we were getting ready to move, and it didn't seem like anybody was interested, so I just I kind of changed my mind. Good thing I actually kept it. Never been the one for selling any of my fans, so this one's probably gonna have a story or two to tell someday. So, well, I guess I'll go ahead and I'll plug this thing in, and I'll give a little demonstration on it. Other than that, you know, fan runs good. You know, just it's very quiet. something you could definitely use around this time of year. More of white noise and all that. But anyway, let's go ahead and get this thing plugged in now. I think I'll go ahead and I'll start it up on the low speed first. You can feel something even on the low speed. It's not so much as it's moving air, but it's more like a breeze than anything else, a breeze maker. Go ahead and we'll turn it up to medium. Okay, let's kick it up to high now. These these motors had good lubrication coming out of the factory. I mean, these things could go on and on and on, and maybe they would require oiling sometime later on in the future. I think that any fan would, but I've never heard of anything like a permanent lubrication. But it works well. It's an okay fan. We use it for something, so go ahead and we'll capture a startup sound from it now. Medium and high.